In this video, we're going to discuss how to fix Roblox not letting you join private servers. So as you can see right here, this user is having the same problem as us. They are already over 13 and the age is verified. They have allowed VIP servers or whatever in privacy, but every time they open a private server link on mobile from Discord, it takes them to the app but doesn't launch the game. So how to fix this? What you can do right here is you can head over and then just copy the link and paste it on Safari and wait an icon will appear and say do you want to open this on Roblox. So head over and then do this. Just copy the link, paste it on your browser, then wait for the pop-up and then open it on Roblox. We should be able to fix this particular problem that we're having about not letting you join in private servers. So instead of just clicking it, copy it and then open it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.